Hi guys, finally, eto na yung pinakahuling requirement, which is gravity wall requirement. So, group work ito, pero for this L-type retaining wall, dalawang member ang gagawa dito. So, solving niya ito sa short bond paper mano-mano. So, meron tayong exposed wall height na 2.5 meters. Yan din yung height ng soil na i-retain. And then, dito, meron siyang inclination of 45 degrees. And then, angle of internal angle phi is 50 degrees. Tapos, coefficient of friction is 0.5. And then, unit weight of soil is 18 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, i-design nyo ito. Make your own dimensions. And then for member 3 and 4, so solve niya ulit ito sa short bond paper mano-mano. Meron tayong wall height na 5 meters. Pero meron siyang surcharge on top. Meron siyang surcharge load na 2.3 kPa. And then from the top, 2 meters at 2 meters below is the groundwater table. Pero yung first 2 meters na yan, ang unit weight of soil is 15 and then angle phi is 30 degrees. Take note that this layer of soil is dry. And then going deeper, 3 meters is saturated unit weight of 19 kilonewton per cubic meter. And then angle phi is 29 degrees. Take note na at this level, 2 meters below the ground, yan yung water table. And then for both layers, the coefficient of friction is 0.5. So ang trabaho ni members 3 and 4, magde-design siya ng cantilever wall. And then finally, for members 5, 6, 7, so tatlong member ang gagawa dito, magde-design siya ng gravity wall with a height of 3 meters. Okay, ngayon, dalawang condition yung gravity wall na ide-design niya. Yung gravity wall na ide-design niya is for 2 conditions. Ibig sabihin, first condition is during dry season. Ngayon, merong 1.9 na kPa sa ibabaw. Parang live load ito, no? 1.9. And then the dry unit weight is 16 kilonewton per cubic meter with internal friction of 28 degrees. Coefficient of friction is 0.5. And then, the same gravity wall is subjected on a rainy season. This time, yung soil na nire-retain niya ay saturated na. Ibig sabihin, may water table sa taas. Ang kanyang saturated unit weight ay 19 kilonewton per cubic meter. And then, the friction angle is 28 degrees. And coefficient of friction is 0.5. However, since tag-ulan na ito, wala nang surcharge load. Ibig sabihin, wala nang dumadaan dito sa ibabaw. Okay, so i-design yung gravity wall for these 2 conditions. Again, sosolvin nyo ito sa short bond paper. And then, lastly, for the 3 retaining walls, ang concrete natin is 21 megapascal. Ang steel reinforcement is 227 megapascal. And then, unit weight of concrete is 23.5 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay guys, so ang deadline nitong tatlong retaining wall is April 28. Okay. So, God bless you guys. Keep up the good work and see you soon.